Hey guys, how you doing? This is Chris here, and Selena's at work right now, but I thought I'd do a quick video talking about what I'm going to be packing for Southeast Asia. So, I kind of did like a bit of a mock pack last week, and this is what's going to be inside my bag. I kind of want to make this like a practical guide for anyone traveling to Southeast Asia, but this will be the stuff that we will be bringing for the next, for what I will be bringing for the next 3 months. When Selena comes around, I'll get her to make her own video because being that she's a girl, she'll probably have different stuff that she wants to pack. But right now I have a 55-liter Peru backpack from Mountain Warehouse, and we're going to see what's inside. Before I start this video, if you guys have any suggestions on what I should add, what more things I should prepare inside the package, please let me know in the comments. Anything I can reduce down too. You know, it works both ways, so anything you think is a bit too excessive, please let me know. Alright guys, so this is everything that's in my bag. Now part of my voice, I got a bit sick, so I have like a bit of a nasally nose. But this is basically all I have, and I'll run you guys through some tips that I have in packing. So what I have here is I've got all my clothes. I've decided to roll them up into like these compact little like rolls, and I'm gonna be bringing in 3 outfits, including, you know, 3 shorts, 3 shirts, and I thought I'd bring a Hawaii shirt just because it's funny and cool. And in here, in this little compartment here, is all my small stuff, like socks and underwears, all tightly compact. And I found this on Amazon too. It was like 2 of them for like $5, and it's just like a inflatable water bottle. So whenever there's not any water, it's able to compact down really nice and well. The thing about traveling to Asia is be sure to always clean your water before drinking it. But I'll make sure to have clean water in here all the time. The other thing about flights too is often the baggage carriers will ask to take out any liquids. So I have some liquids here. This is for my contacts, but I'm sure I'll probably be putting more stuff in here, like hair gel and whatnot. But I put it in this bag, and I always put it at the top to make sure that I can quickly take it out for the custom guys to check. Same with electronics. It's important to put it in its own bag. I have all the cables and stuff in here. Oh, we got this handy little thing. It's a cable converter. It will convert North American outlets to Asian outlets, or let's see, what else do they have? UK outlets, Australian outlets, all that nice stuff. So I guess the one thing that we need to know is to always make sure to take that out once we're done with it, because one thing that I hear a lot of people tend to do is just they tend to leave them at the hostels, and other guys will kind of snag them up. Alright, this is like my washroom essentials. I've got like this mini towel here. It's a microfiber towel, so whenever I'm showering and stuff, if I'm in an area where there's no towels, I could just use this micro one, just in case, because it dries off pretty quickly and it's very easy to fit in to my bags. Alright, so that's pretty much all my stuff. And got here my flip-flops, and I have here my gimbal, which I'm gonna be using for recording and stuff. This trip we're gonna try to record everything on the GoPro and our phones. We didn't want to bring a camera because we wanted to make this a minimal affair. when recording stuff. And of course I got my laptop here. And again, all the electronics are in here with the converter and stuff, so the laptop will be good. Alright, so a bit on the bag. We lucked out big time because this bag is from Mountain Warehouse and it was on sale. The regular price of it was, I think, if I can zoom in there, $149, and we got it on discount for actually $44.99. That's when they discounted at the till. Excuse me, I can't talk too much. But yeah, the neat thing about this is it's got like this rain cover, so whenever it rains I can unzip this guy and take out a neat little rain cover that will cover the entire bag. So this whole thing filled up with all my stuff is roughly around like 7 kilograms. Oh, and when I'm on my way, so yeah, you guys are probably thinking, oh, like, where's your jackets and stuff? Well, on my way to the airport, I'm gonna be wearing these jeans, actually, these exact jeans. I'm gonna be wearing jeans and some jackets as well. And I'm gonna be sure that if I do need to fit those in, I probably will, but I guess the idea is whenever we're flying or we're leaving out, I'm gonna be wearing the jacket out excuse me, when we go flying. That way it could save space in my bag. So alright, so before I get into the bag, I just wanted to talk a bit about my little Gucci belt here. I'm gonna be using it to store a lot of important stuff, such as, like, you know, IDs and passports. I'm gonna be having this with me at all times. That's the important part about, you know, traveling, is to always be with the important stuff with you. And I'd rather keep it with me knowing that it's on me at all times rather than having it, you know, in a locker somewhere. So this, I'm gonna just kind of like attach it to myself, hidden under my clothes, and then I'll know that everything is safe. But if I'm in a safer environment, such as like an airplane or something, I'll be sure to put it in this top compartment here in my bag. Alright, this is my lifeline. Alright, so I have the laptop in the back here. So essentially it's on the back. Most laptop compartments are like that. They're just kind of just on the back here. So this is sliding onto like the laptop compartment. I guess that provides like good stability too, given that it's hard. Anyways, I have all the important bags on top, and then having all the clothes on the bottom. And that's pretty much it. So I have 3 sets of clothing that I'm going to be bringing throughout my entire trip. And if I need anything else, I'm going to, you know, if I lose a shirt or something, I could just buy one there. Then down on this bag, there's like this bottom compartment. This is where all my underwear is going. My underwear, socks, and then there's a little space for that little poncho. Then on the side here's the gimbal. I'm gonna get Selena to do a video like this herself, explaining what to put inside, or I guess like a girl's perspective on what she's gonna pack. We ended up buying 2 of these bags, and so both her and I will be traveling with these. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. For all you guys who've been supporting us for the past 2 months or so, thank you, because wow, this trip's actually happening, and we're gonna be on our way really, really soon. So, thank you guys for supporting us, and thank you guys for watching out for us too. Both Selena and I really appreciate that. So we leave on the 22nd. Our last day of work is the 21st, and yeah, so just stay tuned for our travels. Sorry we haven't been on schedule for too much, but we'll definitely be more on schedule when we're on the road. But yeah, thank you guys, and see you soon. Peace.